Hi guys, so today I'm going to share with you how you'll create multiple profiles on your Google Chrome. So as you can see here, there are several ones already made and it's on my desktop already. And this is perfect for those who wants to separate their personal accounts from their work accounts. So I am using Windows 10 and these are the steps that you're going to follow. First one, click your Google Chrome browser, your original Google Chrome browser. And as for me, I opened one already. And on the topmost, no, not topmost, on the top right corner of your screen, you can see three horizontal lines. Just click that one, please, and go to Settings. And just scroll down and look for People. And as you can see, there are several accounts or several profiles that has been made already. And go ahead and click Add Person. So let's say I'm going to make this one, or I'm gonna name this one blog, and just look for whatever icon you want to use and go to control and view the website or this box here. Check that one and click add. Alright. Okay, so it will lead you to this box. Now blog is now a supervised user by the original Google Chrome that we're using, or I am using. And you can go ahead and click switch blog or just click this one. Okay, got it. And I will show you how this one works. So as you can see here on the topmost corner, right topmost corner of your screen, you can see your name or whatever it is that's on your PC. Go ahead and click that one and then go to switch person. So as you can see, there are lots of profiles already. There's 6, and this is the original Google Chrome browser that I have, and these are the profiles that I am managing. So there you go, guys, and that's it. So let's go ahead and make a test run from it. Okay, so this is the new one that we created, so just click that one. So it's a whole new browser with no bookmarks on it or history, since yeah, obviously it's new. So, just go ahead and do your thing. And just like, your original Google browser, you can make bookmarks, you can save passwords, and I think that's it. So that's how you create multiple profiles on your Google Chrome browser. So I hope I taught you something great. Bye.